Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonlu Wayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer within the community and one of the many voices of TBC around the world. This morning, I'll be talking on doubt can't win. Doubt can't win. I want you to listen to me very carefully this morning. If you are there, you are exhibiting doubt. I want to assure you that you can't win anything because doubt can win. There is a quotation ascribed to John Mason which says, regret looks back, doubt looks around, but faith looks up. Where is your faith? To every one of us is given a portion of doubt in everything we do or plan to do. That is what makes us human. We will never be able to get all the facts that we need to make every decision. Even if we do, the rule will always change. We all have our doubts. The tendencies to doubt is ever with us, but the challenge is not to allow your doubts to win. Irrespective of the situation you are passing through, not minding the circumstance that brought about the doubt, you should not give in. Your doubts have no power to take action. All they can do is to scare you a little, enlarge the negativity, enlarge the impossibility, magnify the impossibility, and prevent you from taking action. But right inside of you is enough power to surmount your doubt. That is the God factor in every human. The Creator has made every human like that. If your doubt wins, it is because you allowed it. Doubt is doubt on its own cannot win. Doubt on its own cannot win. So if your doubt wins, then you should know that you allowed it. You don't have to take arms against your doubts. Great men and women in the past and in the contemporary times are not known to fight their doubts with simply doubts, but they simply ignore them. Most of the times, your doubt does not exist anywhere else except in your imagination. In your imagination, and you allow your thoughts to process it. So, its major assignment is to paralyze your thinking, paralyze your thinking ability, and prevent your progress, prevent you from moving forward, makes you to stand on a point, at the same time drag you back, retard you. It gives you a gun to shoot yourself. That is what doubt do. If you do, it wins. If you don't, then you win. So why give in to doubt? Friends, left alone, your doubt can't win. It can't win. It has succeeded so far in your life because of your cooperation. Yeah, because you cooperate with the doubt. You allow the doubt to have access and to gain power over you. Then doubt win. It will always need your support to win you. Every time you give in to doubt is as a result of you giving it full support to win over you. Will you continue to give it? Learn to disregard your doubt. Learn to ignore your doubt. Keep in mind that your doubt is just your thought, and that if you don't stop to attend to it, it will stop pastoring you and it will stop pastoring your life. Friends, do all within your power to avoid doubt. Ignore it. Don't give in to it, but rather give faith a chance. Give faith a chance. Keep moving. Your doubt can't win. So let your faith be hope and believe you can achieve. Believe it will be a success. So, guys, don't forget, regret looks back, doubt looks around, but keep wandering around. That is what doubt does. But what faith looks up. So let your faith be hope. Doubt can win over you. Don't allow it. Thank you very much for listening to this wonderful podcast. And don't forget, give it a thumb up. At the same time, that bell by your right hand side, click on it and subscribe so that you always have a first hand notification whenever any video is being uploaded. Thank you. Take good care of yourself. And don't forget, if you are yet to join the Kringle community, you will see a link below. Come on board. Join us. It's a wonderful community of abundance where the love of God to the fullness radiates. So come on board. Free yourself from every form of financial stress and financial struggle. Click on that link below, and you can also join our online social group for interaction group. Join the Telegram group below. See you. God bless you. Cheers.